guys, very warm welcome you all. In today's video, we are going to discuss important MCQs on Jacobean to Restoration periods. Yes, friends, in this video, we will discuss important MCQs of the two periods, Jacobean periods and also of Restoration periods. And yes, this video would be in 2 and 3 parts. ये वीडियो 2 और 3 parts में होने वाला है because इन दो important age के questions MCQs फॉर्म में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. And also I am going to tell you the options and you will have time to get the right answer of that question. You will get time to answer that question. And also at the last of the question, I will tell you the important facts related to the answer with its explanation. Explanation भी मैं डिस्कस करूंगी उस important question के जो कि यहाँ पे इस वीडियो में मैं लेके आ रही हूँ. जो भी आंसर्स होंगे उनके आंसर्स को विद एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी. Please note down all these questions and watch this video till the end. Let's begin this video. The very first question we have here. First question here we have here. In 1655, Henry Vaughan published a translation of Hermetic work, which is titled. You have to tell the title of the work, which was the translation of Hermetic, and it was published in 1655. हेनरी वॉगम का वर्क 1655 में जो ट्रांसलेशन वर्क था हर्मेटिक का वो पब्लिश हुआ है और उसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन जो टाइटल है उस वर्क का वो आपको बताना है. वी हैव द ऑप्शन हियर ए बी सी डी and out of these 4 options you have to tell the right answer. You have time, you can go for the right answer. And the right answer of this question is option A. Yes friends, option A is the correct answer. Hermetical physique is the right answer of this question. The translation of Hermetic is translated by Henry Vaughan in English in 1655. That was Hermetical physique. And friends, Henry Vaughan was born in 1621 and died in 1695. ये इनका time duration था. He was metaphysical poet and Hermetical physique published in 1655. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं 1655 में work publish हुआ है. Now the next question we have, one of the works of Andrew Morville is a curious amalgam of theological controversy and prose satire for which he became most famous in the 17th century. Identify that work. Andrew Morville was satirist, he was poet, metaphysical poet, and आपको उनका important work बताना है जो prose satire है, and it has a controversial prose satire work of Andrew Morville. We have the option A, B, C and D. And you have to tell the right answer out of these 4 options, which is the right answer. A dialogue between the soul and body, it is option A. B, the morning watch. Option C, the rehearsal transposed. And defensio prose C, this is the option number D. And which is the correct answer? Yes, and the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. The rehearsal transposed is the right answer. It was a work, it was a prose satire and theological controversy and prose satirical work of the Andrew Morville, which made him famous writer, famous poet in the 17th century. And Andrew Marvell was born in 1621 and died in 1678. He was English metaphysical poet and satirist, and this rehearsal transposed was an attack on Samuel Parker. Samuel Parker के ऊपर ये attack हुआ because he had written satirical work and it was published in 2 parts. 2 parts में published हुई है the rehearsal transposed, and the first in 1672 and the next one is 1673. Now next question we have here a poem on the late Civil War is an unfinished epic composed in 1679. Name its composer. We have the option here A, B, C and D. Out of these 4 options, Edward Hyde we have first, B, Thomas Browning, C, Samuel Butler and D, Abraham Cowley. Who is the poet who had composed this unfinished epic poem and a poem on the late Civil War. So the correct answer we have here option D. Yes, friends, option D is the correct answer. Abraham Cowley was the poet who composed this unfinished poem on the late Civil War. And Abraham Cowley was born in 1618 and died in 1667. English poet he was, and in this in 1697 this work a poem on the late Civil War published, and it was the shortened version of the first book of the poem because it was unfinished. That's why it has the only this poem, a poem on the late Civil War by Abraham Cowley. We have question number 4 of the video we have here. Who has been hailed as the Shakespeare of divines? Who has been hailed as the Shakespeare of divines? We have the option A, Sir George Etheredge, B. Jeremy Taylor, C. We have Thomas Fuller, and option D we have Henry Vaughan. Out of these four options, which is the correct answer, and who was the man uh, who had been hailed as the Shakespeare of divines? And the correct answer we have option B, Jeremy Taylor. Jeremy Taylor was the man who has been hailed as the Shakespeare of divines. And Jeremy Taylor was born in 1613 and died in 1667. And he was known as the Shakespeare of divines because of his poetic style of expression. Yes, friends, this was the reason by which he had been hailed as the Shakespeare of divines. Fifth question we have. Question number fifth we have here. Sir John Suckling is famous for his short lyrics which are composed in. We have the option A, B, C, and D. A option we have here Spenserian stanza, option B heroic couplet, C we have Petrarchan style, or D we have anti-Petrarchan style. Which is the correct option we have here? You have to go for the right answer, please, friends, and you must have given. Please tell me the option which is the correct answer. And yes, option D is the correct answer. He had written his short lyrics in anti-Petrarchan style. And what is anti-Petrarchan style? Which is opposite from Petrarchan style. It do not have any kind of formal rhyme scheme to follow. This kind of poem written by John Suckling, and he had not followed any kind of formal rhyming scheme like Petrarchan sonnet or Petrarchan style. Next, we have number six question. Arcades, written during the time of 1630 to 1634, is a masque written by. Next question, we have option, and this is very easy question. Most of have you given the right answer. Option A, Samuel Butler, B, John Milton, C, George Herbert, or D, Ben Jonson. Which is the correct answer? And the correct answer we have here, option B. Yes, friends, John Milton, the greatest epic poet who had written Paradise Lost, and he had written this masque Arcades, and Arcades is a masque written by John Milton, and it was first performed in 4th May 1634. Now question number 7 we have. Here we have the question number 7. Ben Jonson's Volpone has two main characters who engineer various novel plots in the satirical comedy. One of them is Volpone, and who is the other one? Here the question is related to the characters of the कॉमिक प्ले ऑफ बेन जॉनसन वॉलपोन की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे जो वर्क है ड्रामा है एंड वॉलपोन इज itself a character and you have to tell the another main character of this play of this comic play or drama. We have option A, Morose, B option Mosca, C Herrick, and D Jackson. And you must have given the right answer of this question. Yes, friends, option B is the correct answer. Mosca is the another main character of this comic play Volpone, and Volpone is which means in Italian, Slave Fox. It is a comic play by English playwright Ben Jonson, and it was first produced in 1605 to 1606 या 1605 से 1606 के मिड में ये प्ले पब्लिश हुआ है, प्रोड्यूस हुआ है by Ben Jonson, which has a two main character, Walpole and Mosca. Next number question we have 8. In Walpole, this is the same question of the related to the Ben Jonson's work Walpole, and we have the another question from this drama. Walpole, the fun arises when Walpole feigns illness, while Mosca, his parasite, shows his excessive fondness for. We have the option, and you have to tell whom Mosca was very much fondness. He was very much bounding for which thing out of these four options. Option A we have power, B reputation, C tasty food, and D we have money. So option D is the correct answer. He was excessive fondness for money. Yes, friends, this is the correct answer. Now moving on to the question number 9. Question number 9 we have, as a moral satirist, Ben Jonson made it his business to chasten the. Option we have A. Frivolity, B. Worldly pleasure, C. Humor, and D. None of the above. Which is the correct regarding this question? And you have to tell the right answer of this question. And the friends, as a moral satirist, what was the business of the Ben Jonson to give his, to the audience or to the people, to the readers through his literary work, which was his main aim. And the correct answer we have here, option C. Yes, friends, option C is the correct answer. He chest is in his business to chasten the humor. This is the correct answer. Moving on to the question number 10, we have Epicony or the Silent Women. This by Ben Jonson. This was a work, comic play, is a prose comedy whose chief character Moores is afraid of. We have option A, B, C, and D. Lightning, B. Typhoon, C. Fire, or D. Noise. By the title, you can understand what would be the answer of this question. Yes, friends. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. She was afraid of noise because Epicony or the Silent Woman, which has the subtitle of this work, prose comic work play of Ben Jonson, and this play was first performed in 1609. This was the one of the important play of Ben Jonson. Number 11 question we have, Parking Warbeck, which was published in 1634 by John Ford, is a, it is a comic historic history play or tragic history play or historical fairs or sentimental novel. Which was the correct answer out of these four options? And yes, friends, this was a tragic history play by John Ford, and it was the title Perkin Warbeck, published in 1634. This is the right answer. Option B, tragic history play. And Perkin Warbeck is a Caroline era history play by John Ford regarding pretender to the throne Perkin Warbeck, and it was originally published in 1634. Number 12, and this is the last question of the video we have here, the Metamorphosis of Pygmalion Image. This is the work by John Marston, was published in 1598 under the pen of. Yes, friends, we have option A, B, C, and D. This was the work, this was the important work of John Marston, but he was published in 1598 under the pen name of, means under the pseudonym of which name he had published this work, The Metamorphosis of Pygmalion's Image. We have the option, and the option A, W. Kingsader, is the correct answer. This is the correct answer of the question. And the Metamorphosis of Pygmalion's Image 1598 में ये work publish हुआ है, and Marston's ironically deals with the Platonic idea that true love must be satisfied by the mere beholding of the beloved image. This was the related to the platonic love, और ironically इसको उसमें प्ले को इस वर्क को उन्होंने दिया है, इसमें सेटिस्फाई किया है कि किस तरीके से एक लवर अपने जो लेडी लवर होती है उसके इमेज से वो अगर ट्रू लव है तो उससे भी वो सेटिस्फाइड हो सकता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, this was all we had discussed in the first part of the Jacobian to restoration periods. We had discussed important MCQs related to the to important eras, to important periods of English literature, and later you will get important another part of this video. And please check out the other videos uploaded on this channel. Thank you very much, and please note down all these questions with its answer and with the explanations which I have discussed here in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.